Welcome to my video about my space, which happens to be the private married quarters here at 17 Wing, Winnipeg, Manitoba. What you're looking at right now is one of the homes here at 17 Wing, Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm scrolling around. We have a fairly large east-west thoroughfare called Ness Avenue, just north of Portage Avenue here in Winnipeg, in the municipality, what used to be of St. James. Looking off to the west here, you see we have our standard issue plane on a stick that you find on most Air Force bases in Canada and the United States. I believe that is a Starfighter. There is a small park off to the west of the PMQs here. Baseball games, rugby pitch, that type of thing. Very nice, lots of green space, and beyond that is the airfield. Panning around here, having a look at the traffic here at 17 Wing, Winnipeg. And we've also got some shots here of some of the other private married quarters. All post-war, kind of 1950s, early 1960s frame construction. There are some single family and some duplexes. Fairly well maintained up here on the north side of Winnipeg. Very green right now. We've had a lot of rainfall and other precipitation coming through here, so you see some of the grass is actually a little bit overgrown. Walking down Moorgate Street here and panning around to my actual personal married quarter. Now we'll have another look at, I'll have another shot here of Ness Avenue. Again, a fair amount of greenery, needs to have a little bit of lawn mowing done. And now we'll head down the sidewalk here towards my married quarter. So I am in the right-hand side of a duplex here at 17 Wing, Winnipeg, 429 Moorgate Street. Brand new sidewalks recently put in, all disability compliant, so that's really good. So if you have a family member in a wheelchair, they'll be able to get up and down these. Small garden, we are allowed to garden to a certain degree. There are limitations placed on it. Large trees. We recently had a fairly big windstorm, so some of these trees were actually in peril. Ours actually turned out to be okay. Going around the house, looking towards the backyard, you'll note in Winnipeg there's a fair amount of the back laneways. So this is how you access your property, with a garage. We got a shed and a small patio. Again, a little bit more greenery, some fencing. And that is the back entrance to the house itself. Panning around again, our neighbors off to the right. And another look back at 17 Wing, Winnipeg, Ness Avenue.